Today I show you how to change the photo of a contact on your iPhone. You can go to the phone app and search for the contact you want to change the photo of. And this is, here I use one memoji, and you can tap edit and then you tap again edit under the photo, and you can choose, you can customize, you can use different memojis, you can use a monogram, you can use one letter or even emojis like this, or you can even use a picture. You choose the picture, for example, here, and then tap done, and then again it's changed. You can change other things if you want here. You tap again done and it's changed, and I can change it again, tap on edit, and I could even try to customize it to add filters. For photos you can choose filters. You can choose photos from your library here, from the camera or the photo library. For example, I could use this picture. I could adjust the crop like that. This is me, made a video, one of the older videos. Choose done, and you choose which photo to save here. So it's saved. And now you can see the crop is adjusted to where I selected the crop, and you see the whole picture. And if I try to call myself, you will see now. So I will call myself now from that phone number, and that's how the phone looks like. Not so great here with this part, but okay. So I can just decline the call. That's how you change photos on your iPhone. You can use memojis, you can use real photos, you can adjust many things on the iPhone to have a contact photo. This is the photo assigned to a contact. You can edit this photo, you can add anything anytime. Thanks for watching.